Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can set up a Node Express server easily within a few minutes. First, you need to have Node installed in your system. If you have Node installed, then you can just go ahead and skip this part. If you don't have Node installed, you need to go to this URL, which I'll have the link for in the description below. You need to download Node, and then you can go ahead and set up your Express server. To check if Node is installed in your system or not, open command prompt and type node -version. And as you can see, I have Node this installed. If Node is not installed, go to this URL, download Node by clicking here, and then install Node, and then follow along. If you want to see step by step on how you can download and install Node, again, check the link in the description below. Okay, once you have Node ready, you just need to create a project folder in which you want to initialize your Express server. So I'll just call this n-express. And in your project folder, you need to open command prompt. So open this project folder first. And in Windows, a shortcut to open command prompt is just press on this address bar here and type cmd and hit enter. Now command prompt will open and you will have this directory open by default in your command prompt. Okay, or if you want, you can just open command prompt and browse to your project directory by doing cd and wherever your project path is. Okay, the bottom line is you just need to be inside your project directory, that is nexpress in this case. Now just enter this command npm init-y, hit enter. This will initialize an npm or Express project. After this, you need to install Express. The command is npm install Express, hit enter, and now Express will be installed inside your project directory. If I move this here, as you can see, node modules folder has come here with this package.json, which will have your Express server. Now finally, let's open this project in Visual Studio Code or Cursor AI or any other editor that you use. Again, a shortcut here is to just type code space period, hit enter, and this project will open in VS Code. It might open in Cursor according to what binding you have set to the code command. Okay, in any case, I'm here. Now let's create a new file. Let's call it app.js or server.js, whatever you want to call it. I'll just call it app.js. And here we will import Express and run a simple Express server. So I'll just paste this command here. So we are just importing Express, defining a port on which our app will run, and in the default URL we are just sending hello Express. Okay, and finally we use app.listen to run the server. Now just open a terminal and enter this command node and app.js or server.js in your case if your file name is server.js, and our Express server is running. Okay, to check it, just press and hold Control and click on this URL, and this URL will be open in your browser with Hello Express printed. So we have set up Node.js Express server in our system within a few minutes. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.